time I would leave, the superintendent on the job would always tell me, well, if you can't stay the full 10 to 12 hours, there's 1,000 guys on the layoff list that'll come take your job tomorrow. And this is every time. I just knew it didn't sit right with me. It was the first time that I ever really felt totally controlled.
And this podcast has over 300 episodes that our whole goal is to show ordinary people that they can achieve extraordinary things.
Fast forward that, he didn't know how to teach me how to get started. But what he did do was give me one thing that changed the trajectory of my entire life. It changed the game.
With today's guest, we have Rick Howell, who's been in the game for well over 10 years, creeping on 15, 16, and has managed to take his hobby and create a business. And he even taught me stuff.
I would say this: structured, controlled action is what you want to take, and making sure you're consistent every single day, because the next shiny object will pop up. The best thing you can possibly do is stay laser focused.
So towards the end here, he drops a huge nugget on a way that he's making money now that I have never even heard of before, that I am definitely going to implement into my business.
So it turned from a rehab into a total scrape and rebuild. We were upside down, multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars on day 2. It put me in a bad place, was very dangerous. But I'll tell you, that deal made our business what it is today.
Whether you're looking to be a UFC champion, a rock star, a comedian, a real estate investor, a millionaire, or just be a better father, mother, husband, or human, this is the podcast for you.